In the dynamic landscape of modern business, where time is a precious commodity, the integration of artificial intelligence, AI, has emerged as a transformative force. As we step into 2024, leveraging AI to automate various aspects of business operations has become not just a trend but a necessity. This guide explores the myriad ways businesses can harness the power of AI to save time and enhance efficiency in the pursuit of sustained success. 1. Streamlining repetitive tasks. One of the primary advantages of AI automation is its ability to handle repetitive and mundane tasks, freeing up valuable human resources for more strategic and creative endeavors. Whether it's data entry, invoice processing, or routine customer queries, AI-powered automation systems can perform these tasks with speed and accuracy, reducing the risk of errors and allowing employees to focus on higher-value activities. 2. Enhanced customer interaction. AI-driven chatbots and virtual assistants have evolved beyond basic functionalities, becoming integral components of customer interaction. In 2024, businesses are deploying advanced natural language processing (NLP) algorithms to create chatbots that offer personalized and contextually relevant responses. This not only improves customer satisfaction but also enables businesses to handle a large volume of inquiries simultaneously, enhancing overall efficiency in customer service. 3. Predictive analytics for decision-making. In the fast-paced business environment, making informed decisions is crucial. AI-powered predictive analytics tools analyze vast datasets, identify patterns, and generate insights that aid in forecasting trends and making data-driven decisions. From inventory management to marketing strategies, businesses can optimize their operations by anticipating future needs and challenges. 4. Intelligent document processing. The manual handling of documents is not only time-consuming but also prone to errors. AI-based document processing systems, equipped with optical character recognition, OCR, and machine learning capabilities, automate the extraction and categorization of information from documents. This not only accelerates document processing but also ensures accuracy, reducing the likelihood of human errors. 5. Supply chain optimization. AI plays a pivotal role in optimizing supply chain management. From demand forecasting to inventory management, AI algorithms analyze historical data, market trends, and external factors to optimize the entire supply chain process. Businesses can minimize stockouts, reduce excess inventory, and enhance overall supply chain efficiency, resulting in significant time and cost savings. 6. Personalized marketing campaigns. AI enables businesses to create highly targeted and personalized marketing campaigns. By analyzing customer behavior, preferences, and demographics, AI algorithms can predict the most effective marketing strategies for individual segments. This level of personalization not only improves the effectiveness of marketing efforts but also saves time by eliminating the guesswork associated with traditional, one-size-fits-all approaches. 7. Cybersecurity automation. As cyber threats become more sophisticated, businesses are turning to AI for advanced cybersecurity measures. AI-driven security systems can detect and respond to threats in real time, mitigating the risk of data breaches and minimizing downtime. Automated security protocols, such as threat detection, incident response, and system patching, allow businesses to stay ahead of evolving cyber threats. 8. Smart data management. Managing and analyzing vast amounts of data is a common challenge for businesses. AI-driven data management systems automate data cleaning, organization, and analysis, allowing businesses to derive meaningful insights without the need for extensive manual intervention. This not only saves time but also ensures that decision-makers have access to accurate and up-to-date information. The key lies in identifying the specific processes that can benefit from automation, adopting AI tools that align with business objectives, and fostering a culture of innovation that embraces the transformative power of artificial intelligence. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button below and subscribe. See you in the next video.